Hello book folding friends, I'm Elizabeth Gale. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem right here, a page that crosses over the spine when you fold it. And we need to do something about this corner that's over the spine so that we can turn this page and continue working. This problem happens when you fold a mark that's either high or low on the page. For example, this is a book that I designed with the word pray in it. And if you look right here on the tail of the letter Y, you can see that these folds are low in the book. And these are the types of folds that I'm talking about. They will cross over the spine when you fold them. So let me show you how to fix that when it happens. I've got the beginning of the tail of that Y already marked right here. So when I fold on that top mark, you can see how the point of the page has crossed the spine. Now, there are two ways you can fix this. The first way is to fold it back like that. And I like to use a bone folder just to get a nice sharp crease. And make sure that this point does not cross over the edge of this fold, or it will show on your finished design. The second way you can fix a page that crosses the spine is to take a pair of scissors and just cut off that corner, just like that. So either way works well, either folding it back or snipping it off. Let's do a few more folds so you can see both those options again. I'm continuing on with the tail of that letter Y right here from the Pray pattern. I've already got the measurements marked, so you just go ahead and fold as you normally would. And for folding, I like to use this thin metal ruler with cork on the back made by Westcott. So let's go ahead and fold those. Just bring it back over the ruler. And you can see how that one is crossing the spine. So I'm going to use the first option on this one and just fold it back. The bone folder. And the second fold on that page will not cross the spine, so we're just going to fold it as usual. Tuck that under the elastic. Well, let's do one more like that. Score it. And you can see it has crossed over. So first just fold it as you normally would. And then dog-ear it back. And the second mark, fold over, and it will not cross the spine. Just fold it as usual. And we'll do a couple more, and on these next two, I'm gonna trim it with the scissors. Show you how that looks. Score it with the bone folder and then snip right about there. Now let's do just one more. Bring it over the ruler, score it. And come in with the bone folder, smooth it, and it's crossed the spine, so we're going to trim. And I'll do this one last fold here. All right, there you go. Those are the two ways you can fix a fold that crosses over the spine. Of the two options, I prefer to cut the corners off instead of folding this back, because oftentimes in a pattern you will have a lot of folds that cross over the spine, and if you just fold them back instead of cutting them off, a lot of bulk is going to build up as you work through the book that will distort your design. So that's why I like to just go ahead and snip those corners off. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and give it a like. Thank you. That really helps this channel grow. God bless you, and thanks for watching.